One view that all Word users use is Print Preview to check how the document will look if it's printed prior to printing. To Print Preview, you could hit the Print Preview button on the Quick Access toolbar, or you could press the key combination Ctrl F2, or you could go to File and choose Print. Here is my document being print previewed. If I wish to increase the magnification, in the bottom right I have a plus button. Each time I click the plus, I'll get larger and larger, and when I click the minus, it reduces the magnification. If I drag the slider, I can make it very large, and if I wish to reduce the document to see the whole page, this little zoom to page button will quickly snap it back to the whole page. Besides playing with the magnification in the bottom right, you can also move between the pages over here. This is currently a 6-page document, and if I wish to view page 2, I'll simply click the triangles, and I can move forward and backwards between my pages. If I wish to change any of the page setup, I've got an option here called Page Setup. Perhaps I want to print this document in landscape, so I'll click Landscape and click OK. And now I'm print previewing my document in landscape, which has increased it from 6 pages to 7. Page Setup gives you many options, including changing the margins. I could change the margins to 2 centimeters by putting 2, pressing Tab, typing 2, pressing the Tab key, typing 2, pressing Tab, and typing 2 again. And when I click OK, I've reduced my margins to 2 centimeters, taking my document from 7 pages back to 6. In addition to working with options in Page Setup, you also have these various options here. For example, I might decide not to print all the pages. Instead, I just want to print the current page. Or I might decide I want to print certain pages, in which case I'll type them in here. If I want to print page 1, pages 3 to 5, then I'll say so, with the use of commas and hyphens. This will print page 1 and pages 3 to 5, leaving out pages 2 and 6. Other options include changing the landscape orientation to portrait orientation, changing my paper size from A4 to perhaps A5, and also being able to print more than 1 page per sheet, 2 pages per sheet. This is one option it can't show you in Print Preview, but trust me, it will print 2 pages on 1 piece of paper, halving the amount of paper you use when you print this document. Other options also include being able to print on both sides of the piece of paper instead of just one side. Ultimately, when I'm happy with my Print Preview, I'll click the Print button and I'll get a printed copy of my document.